Facebook, YouTube, happy Monday to you. We're in Waterloo, Illinois today doing a total of 3 areas with Pet Pro package that has evidence of pet urine that we're going to treat. This client is moving in and we're excited about getting some results. We also have another one this afternoon, but let me tell you what we're doing. So we're doing this area here. We did identify some areas of concern over here, as you guys can see. Right there, a couple others. So we're going to treat these areas to digest the urine salts, and we're going to go ahead and sanitize it and clean it, get it back to the original state. And this is part of this right there. As always, guys, when you call us, we always do a pre-inspection because we don't want to guess, we want to test. A little bit right there, a little bit right there. The client already saw that. We're going to be treating it here in a minute. So this living room area, right there. We have a little, two of the bedrooms are doing. A little right there. In fact, turn the light off, give you guys a little more of a preview. Right there, guys. So right there, lit up. Again, we're gonna digest these urine salts, turn it back from a paste to a liquid, so we can extract it through this cheesecloth of a carpet. And then once we do that, then we can steam it out and sanitize the fiber yarn. So that's what we're doing today, guys. Get it back to the original state. Look it up there. See that? First slide back on. And then, last but not least, we're doing this bedroom here. The same thing. And again, guys, we typically charge $45 per bowl size area, as you guys know. It's also on our website, aoclean.com. But we just gave this client a flat rate. Instead of charging all these little areas, we just give a flat rate of for bedrooms, do it times 3. So it's $135 per bedroom, and then the cost of the cleaning. So again, cleaning alone only removes the soil. It does not treat urine. If it's clean urine, you can't clean it, you gotta treat it. And that's what we're doing here today, guys. We're cleaning the soil, and then we're treating the urine. So it is a 2-part process. All right, guys, stay tuned for the results. And as always, thanks for watching. All right, Facebook, YouTube, we just got done pre-spraying the areas of concern as well as the carpet fibers. Now we're letting that dwell. Then we're going to suspend it and sanitize it out, steam it out, so to speak, otherwise known as hot water extraction. Come on, class, you know that. And that'll be a wrap. We're on to the next job after this, and the other one's in Columbia, Illinois. Yeah, guys, a lot better day than yesterday. Even though yesterday was beautiful, it was just so hot and muggy. But today, it's about 70 degrees, which we're thankful for. But all right, guys, stay tuned for some of the results. And as always, don't forget to hit the bell, like and subscribe, as well as follow us on Facebook. All right, guys, let's go. Remember, guys, if we ever service your home, you may also buy a bottle of Spot Out. We have them in 24 ounces as well as 32 ounces. We always have these on our truck available for you for purchase. And these are 15 and these are 30. Of course, we give these away for free if you do a service with us $300 or more. And yeah, guys, and also we sell these by the gallon at our shop. So keep that in mind. Clients love it. We got a whole new batch ready and made. Well, this stuff is divine, guys. You spray this on anything that you have and walk away, it disappears. Good stuff. All right, guys, little tip of the day. Thanks for watching. Another little tip, guys. People always ask me, what's a good vacuum to use? The vacuum you use is a good vacuum to use. You have to use your vacuum, otherwise it doesn't do anything, right? So, little tip of the day, make sure you're vacuuming your carpets at least at a minimum once a week, but rule of thumb, it depends on how many heartbeats you have in your home. You should be vacuuming your carpets that much. The reason why, your carpet is the biggest filter in your home, okay? The second is your HVAC system. So, and then third, obviously, is your hard surface and upholstery, things of that nature. But if you don't do these things, your lungs act as a filter, right? So if you want to reduce your allergies and germs and flus, colds, and coughs, definitely consider getting your carpets vacuumed regularly. So, for example, you got kids, you got dogs, you got 2 people in the home and 2 kids, you should be vacuuming it 4 or 5 days a week. How many of you guys do that? Raise your hand. Not many. So I definitely advise you guys to vacuum regularly. Dry soil removal is the most important thing for longevity for your textiles and carpets, okay? Even your hardwoods, laminate, and engineered floors and OBT, okay? As well as upholstery. Make sure you get that vacuum in, as well as your mattresses. Okay, you'd be surprised if I do a test at your home how soiled your furniture is or your mattress. Breeding ground for dust mites and other kind of critters and debris. So, especially when you roll around at night, you're knocking all that dust off your mattress, breathing all that yummy stuff in. Just because your sheets are clean doesn't mean your mattress is, okay? So make sure you get your mattress cleaned at least once a year. So you sleep on at 365, and we can happily take care of that for you. Little tip of the day, guys. Again, we believe a healthy home is a happy home. We first clean for health and second for appearance. AO got you covered. Thanks for watching. You can also book online right there. Don't forget to like and subscribe to YouTube. Find us on Instagram, and of course, always on Facebook. And of course, you can search us on Google. Thanks again, guys. Well, guys, it's going good, as you can see. Steaming it out now, sanitizing the fiber yarns. Smells divine in here. No more cat urine smell. Client's happy. 230 degrees. Get all that residue out there. Looking good, guys. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, I want to show you something. See this carpet job, but you can see all the residue. That urine coming out. Dirt. That's how we know it's successful. So just watch that window. See that? It tells us that it's getting it all. Call AO today, we got you covered.
Hey, my name is Zach. I just use AO cleaning carpet cleaners. They did a great job. They were on time. I had a ton of pet stains. They got them all cleaned up for me. Looks great, smells great. So thank you very much.